Do you ever feel a bit lost or overwhelmed when you're around lots of people? It's like the noise and the chatter just become too much and you wish you could find a quiet corner to escape to. Maybe you feel like you don't quite fit in or that everyone else seems to be handling things better than you are. Do bright lights or loud noises bother you more than they seem to bother others? It's as if the world is just a bit too loud, too bright, too overwhelming. You might find yourself needing to take breaks or find quieter, dimmer places to feel comfortable. You're not alone. Lots of people feel this way, and it's perfectly okay. There are many who understand exactly what you're going through. They too seek out those calm, quiet spaces and feel more at ease in smaller, more intimate settings. Some people just prefer quiet places and feel tired out after lots of chatting. They might recharge by spending time alone, reading a book, or enjoying nature. It's their way of finding balance and peace. They might find it hard to look people in the eye or understand what people mean without saying it directly. Social cues can be confusing, and sometimes it's easier to just be straightforward and clear. This is totally normal for some people. Everyone has their own way of interacting with the world, and there's no right or wrong way to be. Don't feel bad if this sounds like you. Embrace who you are and know that there are others out there who feel the same way. It's okay to be different, and it's okay to seek out the spaces and people that make you feel comfortable and understood. Imagine this: you're at a busy party and the music is really loud. The room is filled with people, all talking and laughing, and the sound of the music is almost deafening. You try to join in the conversation, but it's hard to catch what anyone is saying. It's hard to hear what people are saying with all the noise. You find yourself nodding along, pretending to understand, but really you're just trying to keep up. The constant noise and chatter can be overwhelming, making it difficult to focus on any one thing. Or maybe you really like your usual routine, and even small changes make you feel a bit anxious. You have a set way of doing things, and when something disrupts that, it can throw you off balance. The predictability of your routine brings comfort, and any deviation can cause stress. These could be signs that you're a bit more sensitive to things around you. Loud sounds, bright lights, or even strong smells can feel overwhelming. It's like your senses are turned up to 11, and the world can sometimes feel too intense. Maybe you have a hobby or topic you're really passionate about, and you love learning about it and talking about it all the time. This passion brings you joy and fulfillment, and you can spend hours immersed in it, losing track of time. These things are all part of what makes you, you. Embracing these aspects of yourself can help you navigate the world more comfortably. It's important to recognize and honor your unique sensitivities and passions, as they contribute to your individuality and overall well-being. It's really important to remember that you're not the only one who feels this way. Many people around the world share similar feelings and experiences, even if it might not always be visible on the surface. Lots of people have similar experiences, even if they don't always talk about it. Sometimes it can be hard to open up, but knowing that others are going through the same thing can be comforting. These experiences could be related to autism. Autism is a spectrum, meaning it affects everyone differently, and each person's experience is unique. Autism is simply a different way the brain works. It's not an illness, but rather a different way of experiencing the world. People with autism have their own strengths and challenges. People with autism might see, hear, and feel the world a little differently. They might notice details that others miss, or have a unique perspective on things. They might be extra sensitive to sounds, lights, or how things feel. This heightened sensitivity can sometimes be overwhelming, but it also means they experience the world in a vivid and intense way. They might also have really strong interest. These passions can lead to deep knowledge and expertise in their favorite subjects, bringing joy and fulfillment. If this sounds like you, it might be helpful to chat with a doctor or therapist. Getting a diagnosis of autism can be a really good thing. It can help you understand yourself better and get the help you need. Remember, there's nothing wrong with being autistic. Asking for help shows you're strong and understand yourself. With the right support, you can do really well and have a happy life.